celebrating two events. First, the unveiling of the new Photon vehicle under light-duty Truck Tornado series. And the second, appreciation of Bankers Night.
Photon Tornado and 2.6C automated manual transmission, the new face of progress.
Ito sa inyong lahat. My name is Romy Arma. I'm the GM and the training director of the team. We are equally happy tonight because all our partners, bank partners, people from UAGI, and our customers, VIP customers, we really truly excited about this new launch of the Tornado M2.6 AMT. And salamat din sa mga tulong ko ng mga bangko nandito ngayon. Actually, without your help, of course, this business will not be success, of course. And we're truly excited tonight. And again, I'd like to welcome you and enjoy the rest of the evening. Magpakasaya lang tayo ngayon. Mag-enjoy tayo. At higit sa lahat po, we will build camaraderie among our customers, our VIPs, and people from the bank, and of course from UAGI. Once again, good evening and enjoy the night.
First of all, I would like to thank Photon Quezon Avenue for preparing an event like this one. Of course, we thank all of you for supporting Photon for the last 17 years, providing you, our bank partners and loyal customers, of top-notch quality commercial vehicle. Again, thank you and congratulations sa Photon Quezon Avenue. Thank you and